Mama, special delivery. Kuya singing. So happy.
Wait, show them, but don't put it on the bed. Thank you very much. It's so sweet of you. I think they're the friends of Tita Kimmy and Tita Boo. So thank you to them. I'm so sorry. I'm conserving my voice na wala na parang boses. Love you, Kuya.
Man-taping.
Be happy eating.
Yes. Oh, a special promo si Kuya.
Only
That's
one car.
Yeah.
Yes, Kuya.
Yes, love
Chill,
you.
chill.
Bagong gupit yung dalawa kayo nagpapakita.
Training tayo.
Okay. Then, you can put it on the floor first so that, because they haven't sterilized. Those who are worried about sterilization. Okay, I'll explain. I can't explain. Kasi,
Yupang.
you know how?
Yes. It
Okay.
uses ventilation and
Open.
UV light to eliminate the
Yeah,
germs.
kasi this was sent to me by my sister Gail, and she said
sorry.
that when they saw that it was pink, they felt it would be perfect for me. So, yung mga nag-worry na yung mga ino-order ko sa Shopee, go lang ng go, most dinadaan dyan, tapos meron din kami ng UV.
Yes.
Okay? And ito yung mga latest Shopee free delivery. Sorry, hindi ako nagpapasweet. Kino-conserve ang boses. Okay, and I have a shoot in The Clock is Ticking in soon, and it's an important one. You can put it down, honey, kasi it culminates the 3-year contract that I've had with Ladies' Choice. It's a reunion with some of my friends from ABS-CBN, and actually it's going to air on the digital channel of ABS-CBN. So, yan. Love, love, love. So, ito yung nanggaling sa Shopee na kinatuan ko kasi I've had these for a while, but I did not have the organizers. So, pwede mong i-organize dyan yung mga accessories mo. Hindi ako yung hindi ako yung gumawa yan. I think sila Jay nang nag-atupag din kanina habang
You look like a gangster.
okay, the explanation for this, lahat ito may healing power.
Sure.
Yeah, kasi it's that time of the month. So, pag nagpo-pearls daw, it helps the hormonal imbalances. Okay, and then I'm wearing jade because it's all around protection and for your body's immunity. Please don't believe me. Kasi nagpapautulan naman ako sa lahat ng librong binabasa ko. Kunzite, the pink one, is also for your femininity, for letting go of the past, for being more in tune down with the present, and for opening yourself up to future possibilities.
Of course.
Oh, tapos ito, this is amethyst. The cross is amethyst, and I have the twin hearts of Jesus and Mary. The amethyst, sinasabi nila can really, it's parang, it will relax you, it will center you, it will protect you. And then, garnet also is good for the blood flow. It will also be good for your health, and it will attract prosperity. Yung citrine naman is good for anybody who needs good communication skills. Okay, so yun lang. Tapos dumating na, baby ko na magpakita.
Of course.
Shopee delivery kasi naaliw ako dito.
Ano to, containers?
Yes, Bim, because I want to organize na parang ito daw, bahala ka na can I have those smaller ones? Na, what you're gonna do is, parang lalagay mo sa loob ng drawer para everything can be neat.
Marie Kondo.
Chrissy Kondo. So, dumating din siya kami. Where's my phone?
Which phone?
It's nakakatawa kasi si Shopee Rider, type na talaga kami. ang message niya sa akin kanina, Ma'am, nasan ka ngayon? Iwan ko na lang po sa lobby. Sabi ko, yes, nagpapahinga ako. Iwan mo na lang sa lobby. He's my first text of the day and he is one of my last texts of the day. I love it. And then, this is the one that, remember when we were in Japan and Tita Erich made baon?
Yes.
Her towels. This is it. And then, they have a store within Shopee. So, I ordered the bundle packs. Here we go again. Mahilig sa bundling. And it's complete. And you save money. Ang ganda niyang pang Christmas gift. Tapos, tinuro sa akin ni nurse na pag iiwan ka na, you received everything in good condition, and then you get, parang, you give it a rating, you get coins. So sila very generous because nirate ko sila. I got 500 coins. Tuntua ako sa coins.
Woo, coins!
I know, right? It's fun. Okay. So, and then they have there, nakahanap sila ng, I'm sorry.
Toilet something?
No, it's parang when you're in the toilet, parang you don't slip. And
Oh, toilet
and
cover.
bath mats and everything. And I even bought the bathroom. Tuwa lang. The other things, those are for organizing sa near the sink, and then the other stuff para mag-organize ng pots and pans. O yan. Yun ang mga ano natin for today. Tapos, ito, binili naman ni Alvin for me. Kasi, sabi ko, I have to relax.
I want to be artistic.
Yeah. We know this. Nung pagtatawa na lang ang mga tao.
Good!
We say, artistic ako. Pero gusto ko lang mag-coloring. So, nahanap ni Alvin. Tapos, I think this one nahanap. Kasi, I was looking for this one talaga na color the promises of God. So, may biblical verses na, tapos, iko-color mo, tapos, hindi masyadong complicated. Kasi, I think, Alvin had too much confidence in my abilities. Kasi, tinan nyo naman yung binili niyang iba para sa akin. Hindi ko yung kaya. Okay, I think you were nag-clue pa ako, giveaway naman. But my ate got confused. She said, huh? There's another one dun sa pinost ko. I can safely say that there's a reunion involved in that. Yes. And then, 2 women are going to be with me, plus some new people. And it's being sponsored by a store that you go to often. They're the presenter. And the 2 women have been important parts of my showbiz talk show journey. Kasi yung isa, nakasama ko sa Star Talk. The other one, nakasama ko sa Buzz. So, hanggang dun muna tayo. But, I actually also think, kaya na medyo nauubusan ang boses kasi hindi ko in-expect that all of these things would be happening and they would be happening this fast. So, I want to say thank you to all of you. Bim, congratulations to you. And, of course, to me also because I was checking the stats and the one where I showed you there, attorney can show that, the pink shots, nasabi ko si attorney ang nagbibideo na to, wala pong nagaganap sa amin. Okay. This is so raw. I love it. Okay, so yung anong yan, yung mga pink trolley na yan, nung that video where I showed all of those, that one already hit, if I'm not mistaken, 4.3 million views and close on Facebook and close to 800,000 on IGTV. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And so many new opportunities are coming our way and this is again yung pinagpipilian na, okay, hanggang saan ang kaya ko? Because obviously, as you can see, I'm paos. It's because I've been having a really bad flare, but I'm excited because tomorrow I have two things, important things to do. So I have a shoot late in the afternoon and I go straight to recording. Yes, I'm now going to be a singer.
Oh, why?
Oh, okay. Lahat ng mga the Shopee jingle. No. Hindi po. Huwag kayo mag-freak out. Mga lang, yung mga notifications nyo coming soon. I'd like to take this opportunity again. People come into your life when you need them. And so Shopee, thanks a lot. But you are making me spend kasi yun ang relaxation ko pag nate-tense kasi alam na kailangan magka-bosses soon. So, click, click, click. Bye-bye. Cart. Tapos check, ganun. Pero masaya.
Okay, I'll eat this na.
No. Say thank you to them.
Thank you so much.
No, and thanks to Shopee.
Thank you, Shopee, for giving my mama a hobby.
No, and thank you because you are, and thanks to all of you. I'll try my best kasi alam ko na a lot of you deserve as much of the good things that are happening to me. So I'll do something about that. That's a promise and I keep my promises. God bless you all. Love, love, love. And I saw the memes that are gonna come up that Shopee themselves came up with. Wait for it. It's happening next week. Love you. Bye. Good night.